Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me a free product, and it's a paid review. Let's get straight to it. It is a bed rail for someone who has, if you're a problem that's have a problem getting out of bed for any reason. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bed rail together for you and show you what it looks like, and show you how easy it is to put together, and show you how cool it is to get out of bed. Now, so you might consider getting a bed rail. There's no shame in this game. Get a bed rail. Let's face it, our abs aren't what they used to be. You know what I mean? All right, so let's put this thing together, shall we? I'm gonna just zoom down here to the bed itself and put this bed rail together.
So we're just going to put this, I'm going to fast forward through this, put this bed together. You just basically follow the instructions. You pop them in and you snap them in. You just make sure that the balls pop through the little holes. You're going to see here in a minute where I just put this part on backwards. And then here you use the clips in strapping them in there. A clip here and a clip there. And then we put the U's in on the side, and you use the clips to clip that in to whatever width you want. We're going to make it narrow here. Put the legs on with the suction cup rubber bottoms. And there you have it. And we're going to put the light in here real quick. They didn't charge it. Normally they charge the light for me, but it's just a simple matter of a C charging cord, which they provide for you. And other than that, you can adjust that. And I did put that in backwards, see? I'm fixing it there, and now you go.
When it's under the bed, you have the access to the light and things like that. So this goes under your mattress and has the pressure of you on it. Also, it comes with this strap. I have found that I have never needed this strap. But if you have somebody that might be extra heavy or needs extra support from this, then what you would do is you would take this strap and tie it to this end, and then you would wrap it around the entire bed and strap it back up to there, and that would give you more support. All right, so I'm going to put this on the bed and show you what it's like. So there it's installed. And so if you were going to install this strap, you would simply, it's so that part is underneath the bed right here. You would simply tie this strap to that end, that U that's right here, and then circle it around to that side of the bed, and then circle it back to this U, and that would hold this very firmly in here. Although I will tell you, if I want to get up out of bed, it helps me get up out of bed. Go out and get your bed rail today.